Daddy, can I go in the shower?
Yeah, well.
I did it.
You did it, David. Good job. Yeah. Excuse me, Michael.
I did it. Now it's getting gone.
Yeah. Hey, David.
Oh, I think there's hole in the
There's a hole.
There's holes. There's holes in It fits.
Yes, it does fit. Hey, David. Can you give me your hand? Try to go upstairs, okay?
No, don't minute.
Just a minute.
Yeah,
Now let's go upstairs, okay?
don't minute.
What?
Well, we can fill it up with acorns, but not piles. Click on the acorns and then click on the holes to drop them in. One, two. Super. 太好了 Let's keep going.
David, come on, let's go upstairs.
A minute. No,
No, not just a minute. Right now, okay?
Yeah.
No,
Right
time to go
now.
Don't yell at him. What? David, wait, come on, let's go upstairs. David, let's go upstairs.
No.
No, not just a minute. Right now, come on. Okay, Dave, no, let's go.
Okay,
Oh my gosh, look at you stacking those in order. You did stack those. Mm-hmm. Come on, David, let's go upstairs, okay? No, not just a minute. Right now, let's go. No, not just a minute.
Yeah.
No, come on, let's go right now.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Michael. Now, David.
No. Now.
Now, David.
Now.
No, David, now. No, David, now. Come on. No, right now.
No, now.
No. Come on, someone go upstairs. Let's go.